Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope all of you are well, safe, and sound. Today, fourth vlog, and I thought I'm gonna take you guys from Stoke to Llangollen. So let's just show you beauty of Llangollen. It's in North Wales. Look at this beautiful area, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. Natural beauty. A lot of sheep around here. Look at this. This cafe is about 60 miles from Stoke, and it's towards Llangollen. I will obviously show you the rest of the place as well. A lot of people are here, as you can see. Sky is blue, alhamdulillah. Weather is absolutely beautiful. A lot of people are around. You may not be able to see very well because the camera is just right annoying me at the moment. This reminds me when you go Murray and all these mountains, or when you go Swat, Skardu side, you see these kind of places. Look at this, mashallah. Yeah, if you have a drone around here, it'd be nice. And look at this natural beauty. Wow, absolutely amazing. Check this out. Mashallah, mashallah. This is all in North Wales. This road is actually, I thought it was a path. You're going straight down. There's some houses down there, and there's another road on top of another road top of the mountain, which is where we park our car. And as you can see, guys, honestly, this is an absolutely phenomenal place. MashaAllah. There's a cafe right behind us. Llangollen. If you are from Birmingham, London, so far away from there. And if you live in Staffordshire, it's not far, about 60 miles, 65 miles. So, but it's a really nice. You could bring your family around here, picnic place, and you can. I'm gonna cook my food here one day. Make cooking. Look at this. There's beautiful bikes around here as well. All the sports bikes. And I just asked everyone. I said if I can just to make a clip. Some beautiful, beautiful bikes. A lot of them are sport bikes. Quite expensive. Look all this. Cheers guys, thank you.
I think the what's the name of it? The GT. That's it. You two for the best one.
There you go, a lot of kind people around here, sitting, chilling, lying down, and all their bikes here as well. If I can't afford, I'll pay you for it. Look at this. Beauty of a bike here. Honda. Probably, I don't know anything about the bikes, but it looks quite big. Probably about 1300cc. Beautiful people, alhamdulillah, we had a great day, and I hope you enjoyed my vlog. And please, if you do, subscribe my YouTube channel and press a bell icon button, share it with the family and friends, and it's also still going and going and going. I come across with these trees right behind me there, as you can see. Plenty apples there, plenty apples. Anyways, if you like my video, share it, like it, and what can I say? Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very, very much for watching my video again, and we'll see you again either with a vlog or new recipe. Till then, fi aman Allah.